Hi guys.
What we're going to be doing today?
Trying Takis.
We're going to be trying the, what are they called? The Volcano Takis.
Yeah.
So, we've recently discovered that Aiden absolutely loves the normal Takis.
Yeah. I love the hot Takis.
Well, the ones you were eating yesterday, the hot Takis.
Yeah.
They're the hottest ones. So we tried the dragon chili, sweet chili ones before, them ones.
These?
He didn't like them ones. But he loves the original ones. We were at my mother-in-law's yesterday, and his cousin had some, and he was eating them by the bowlful.
Yeah, outside.
So we're gonna open these up.
Yep.
Well, they smell quite nice, actually.
Oh, yeah, they are.
Like cream cheese. These are quite nice. It says they're mild, which means they're not very hot.
Mild?
Yeah.
They're not really hot.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
You were eating the other ones yesterday, so you must, the original ones yesterday, so you must like these ones. What are they called? Fuego.
Fuego. Like Fuego Mills.
Not Trago Mills, Fuego.
Fuego. Which is Fuego Mills.
You're a nut job, you are.
They're spicy.
They're not as hot as the ones yesterday.
But they're spicy for me.
They're not. I'd buy these again. These are quite nice. These ones, you can enjoy these. You can just sit here and eat them and not go, oh my god, it's boiling. So, yeah. These are nice. I would definitely get these again. Aiden, not so much. He's at the kitchen drinking some milk.
Yeah. Full of milk.
But he likes the Fuego ones, which are even hotter than this. So I don't understand. But hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And we should do another one soon.
Bye.
Bye, guys.